I've unboxed my new set of motion-sensored rechargeable LED ceiling lights sent to me by Homelist. And today we're going to install one of these lights to the ceiling and test it out. By the way, to install the ceiling light, we're going to be using a power drill and a screwdriver. Each ceiling light comes with a power switch as well as a round dome that illuminates red when in charging mode and then green when it's fully charged. There's also a sensor here that detects motion up to 18 feet. There's also a switch on the light so you can adjust the brightness of the light. You also get a remote with each of your lights, and the good news is the battery is already included. Just remove the plastic tab before using the remote. The light comes pre-charged but not fully charged, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB-C cable to charge it. The dome in the front illuminates red, which tells you it's in charging mode. And while this thing charges, we're going to go ahead and get the bracket screwed into the ceiling. To install the light, we're going to remove the bracket from the back. There are instructions on the back which says to turn counterclockwise to remove the bracket and turn clockwise to secure the bracket. In fact, if you have ever installed a smoke detector, this works pretty much the same way. So here we're marking up the ceiling where the 4 screws will go in. Next, we're going to pre-drill each hole. Now we'll go ahead and insert the plugs into the pre-drilled holes. Next, we're taking the bracket that we removed from the back of the ceiling light, and we'll use the screws the lights came with and screw the bracket into place using a screwdriver. You'll want to double check each screw to make sure they're tight and secure and that the bracket should hang completely flush and flat to the ceiling. Last but not least, let's check on the ceiling light to make sure it's fully charged. So, after about 3 hours, this ceiling light is now fully charged as indicated by the green light. We'll go ahead and attach it to the bracket that we installed to the ceiling. Now, before we show you how bright the light is, here is what our hallway looked like before we installed the ceiling light. This hallway, which leads to 3 different rooms, has no electrical wiring and no power outlet, so it's pretty dark even during the day. And as soon as we walked by the light, the motion sensor kicked in, and this is how bright the hallway is now, with the ceiling light at the brightest setting. The light will stay on for 20 seconds and then automatically turn off if there's no further motion. Or I can turn it off using my remote. I can also turn it back on with the remote and also adjust the brightness to make it dimmer. I absolutely love how the ceiling light requires absolutely no electrical wiring and has the convenience of a motion sensor to trigger the light as well as a remote control.